Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Anita quick meal espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the water pump, the one that you see right here. The one that you see right here. This one is from 2017 and the replacement. We also scaled this machine from the heat exchanger. There was not a lot of scale build up, which is good. And the shower screen actually was very clean as well. This one was pretty clean. So they're actually back flushing this machine and taking care of it. The gasket itself was, as you can see, worn out, starting to crack in a couple of places. So it was a good time for the machine to get a new gasket. And yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. We cleaned up around it, removed some of the oils that was around the E61 group head and some parts of the machine, like on the power switches and stuff like that. We just deep clean it and make sure everything was working nice and smooth. So yeah, starting with one shot of espresso. We're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise you're gonna see coffee splitting all over the place instead of a nice steady stream, as this is a single bottomless basket. So you definitely need to really tamper and prepare the coffee perfectly, otherwise you see a bunch of things spinning around and you will not see this steady stream that we're seeing right now. As you can see, the pressure is around 8.5 bars, which is perfect. It's extracting really good. It's doing a great job. Nice layer of crema on the top. Working really well. Nice shot of espresso. Nice shot of espresso. Really good crema. Steam of this machine, as you can see, working amazingly. Excellent pressure. Really working well. Great temperature. And the hot water, as you can see, a gentle stream coming out of it, working really great. And there you have it, quick meal by Anita Quick Meal, working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.